Okay, to access your database, you need to go down in your main AWS services window in Amazon. Go to database, go to RDS. What will load up here is all of the database that you have, and you can see there that I've got one. You're allowed to have 40 of 20 gigabytes, so just got one. Just click on database instances. Okay, that's the database I have. It's just a test database at the moment. Its status is that it's alive. Okay, so if you click on, just click on that there, what you can do is actually go to here and go to modify. That's the way you can see you can change your password for the database here if you want to set a new password. Okay. Once that, I don't want to do that at the moment, so just click on continue. We'll modify it. Nothing's actually going to happen. So click that. Okay, if you click on tags, as I just did, you see every bit of detail about the database. This is really important for the code in your project to connect directly to the database. So firstly, you'll see the server name. Amazon call this the endpoint. So rather than server, they call it endpoint. And you just copy and paste this entire thing here as your server. Then you need to know the database name. The database name is here, pretty much database name. Also copy and paste it. The username for the database is here under the word username. The password is the one either you've just reset or if you can remember it. And they're the only four things you need in order to connect via MySQL connection to the database. Once that's done, you're in. However, just remember also that these four bits of detail, so therefore the server name, which is here, database name, the username, and the password are needed whenever you connect to this database. So, for example, in MySQL Workbench, you can just see there, when you launch that and you want to connect to a database, it'll also ask you for the database name, database username, password, and IP sometimes it's called, but basically the server name. Okay, it's very important that you know how to access this page on your database in order for you to connect it to either your code, your SQL Server client, or anything else.